Page 3. Hello, everybody. Welcome to our sports report. Hello, Tina. How are you? Today we are talking about two sports that are very similar but very different at the same time.
Hello, Carlos! Exactly. Today we are talking about two brothers in the field of sports.
The first game is a sport played between two teams of 15 players each.
It is a mixture of other sports. It has the passing of basketball and the running of soccer.
Do you know which sport we are talking about? I'm sure you do. It is rugby.
Exactly. Just like American football, our other sport of today, rugby, is played on a rectangular field and the players carry an oval ball to the opposite site.
However, in football, there are less players per team, just 11.
Both sports involve contact. However, in rugby, the players only wear modest padding on the shoulders, head, and collarbone, and the only requirement is a mouth guard. While in American football, each player wears chest and shoulder protectors, a mouth guard, a helmet, and upper leg padding.
Another difference is time. On one hand, American football, the game is divided in 4 periods of 15 minutes each with a halftime. The game clock can stop multiple times between plays.
On the other hand, rugby is played in 2 halves of 40 minutes each and a 10-minute intermission. The clock stops for extended injuries.
Finally, the place where these games are played differs as well. Rugby is practiced all over the world. American football, by contrast, is played only in the U.S.
So, that was our sports show today. See you tomorrow.